Hey everyone, today we will be solving problem which is return length of argument passed to the function. Basically the problem statement is we are given a function that takes any number of arguments and we need to return the count of those arguments. Let's consider an example. Suppose this is the array of arguments. It is receiving 5 length list of 5. So basically the function is receiving one argument. Okay. Next, we have three arguments passing to a list. First is it can be a hash set or a map, whatever, but we will consider it as an argument. Next, we have another argument which is null, and next we have another argument that is string. So basically we are receiving three arguments. Our task is to return the value of how many arguments we are receiving. That is the simple problem. So let's solve the problem. We have a function named as argument length, and this argument is the number of length. It stores the length of arguments that is received by the function. So we have to return the length. Next, for this, use the argument object to access the arguments passed to the function. Then we will return the length of the argument using arguments length property. It is a simple code. Let's start. Return args arguments, that is the one we are receiving over here, dot length. In the first, I have explained to you that this stores the length of the numbers that we are receiving as an argument to the function. Basically, it is a JSON value type of list, and list provides a method that we are using over here, argument.length. So let's try to run this code. So our both cases are accepted. That's it for the video. It was a bit short video, but I hope you have learned something new.